Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Basics. What if I told you that understanding just two accounting concepts, assets and liabilities, could instantly make you smarter about money, business, and even your personal finances? Let's break it down in a simple, practical way with a real factory example you can actually relate to. All right, let's start with the basics. In accounting, everything a business owns or owes is grouped into two main categories: assets and liabilities. An asset is anything a business owns that has value and can help generate income. Think of assets as resources. For example, imagine you own a small factory that produces wooden chairs. Some of your assets will be the factory building itself, the machinery used to cut and assemble the wood, the raw materials like the timber, finished chairs ready to sell, and cash in your business bank account. All of those things help your factory operate and make money. That's why they are considered assets. Assets are usually divided into two categories. One, current assets, things you expect to use or convert into cash within a year. Let's say raw materials, inventory, and of course, cash. Two, non-current assets. These are long-term resources, like the factory building, the heavy machinery, and stuff like that. Now, let's flip the coin. A liability. That's something the business owes to others. In simple terms, it's debt or a financial obligation. Going back to our factory example, here are some common liabilities. A loan you took out to buy the machinery, money that you owe to suppliers for timber, wages you still need to pay your workers, and taxes owed to the government. Liabilities are basically claims on your assets by other people or institutions. Like assets, liabilities also have two main types. One, current liabilities, debts due within 1 year, for example, unpaid supplier invoices, short-term loans, that kind of thing. Two, non-current liabilities. These are your long-term debts. For example, let's say you took out a 10-year loan for factory expansion. That's a non-current liability. Assets and liabilities are connected through a simple but powerful equation. Assets equals your liabilities plus your equity. Equity is what's left over for the owner after subtracting liabilities from assets. Let's apply this to our factory. Imagine your total assets, your buildings, machines, materials, cash, comes out to $500,000. Your total liabilities, loans, and unpaid bills, $300,000. That means your equity is $500,000 minus $300,000 comes out to $200,000. That $200,000 represents your ownership in the business. Let's walk through a real-life situation, shall we? You decide to upgrade your factory with a new automated cutting machine costing $100,000. That machine becomes a new asset. If you pay cash, your cash asset decreases, but your machinery asset increases. If you take a loan, your liabilities increase by $100,000. So every financial decision impacts both sides of the equation. Here's another example. Let's say you buy $10,000 worth of wood from a supplier, but you don't pay immediately. Your inventory asset increases. Your accounts payable, your liability, also increases. You see how that works? Every transaction has two sides. Understanding assets and liabilities helps you know what your business truly owns, track what you owe, make smarter financial decisions, and avoid cash flow problems. For example, a factory might look successful because it has expensive machines, but if it's drowning in debt, it could still be in a lot of trouble. So the next time you think about a business, or even your own finances, Ask yourself two simple questions. What do I own and what do I owe? Master these, and you've already taken a huge step into the world of accounting. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.